Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are words that show who owns or has something. For example, you can say, "This is my book," or "That is his phone." There are six possessive adjectives in English: my, your, his, her, its, and our. They are used before a noun to show who the noun belongs to. For example, "This is my pen" means that the pen belongs to me. "That is her bag" means that the bag belongs to her. The possessive adjectives have different forms depending on the number and gender of the owner. For example, we use my for singular and plural nouns that belong to me. We use your for singular and plural nouns that belong to you. We use his for singular and plural nouns that belong to a male person or animal. We use her for singular and plural nouns that belong to a female person or animal. We use its for singular and plural nouns that belong to a thing or an animal without a gender. We use our for singular and plural nouns that belong to us. Let's practice with some examples. I'll show you a picture of something and you will tell me what possessive adjective to use. Ready? Here we go. This is a picture of a dog. The dog is male. What possessive adjective do we use? His. This is a picture of a car. The car belongs to us. What possessive adjective do we use? Our. This is a picture of a flower. The flower is beautiful. What possessive adjective do we use? Its. Great job! You've learned how to use the possessive adjectives to show ownership or possession. Remember to practice more with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.